Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by connecting the phone to your PC with a proper data USB cable. This matters because charge-only cables won't expose the network interface. Once connected, make sure mobile data is enabled on the Vivo and you have signal. Tethering bridges that cellular link to your computer. If USB mode prompts appear, select Transfer or USB tethering option. You do this now so the computer can detect a new network adapter. It speeds up driver negotiation and avoids time wasted in later steps. Once the phone and PC see each other, navigate directly to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. This path is fast on recent Vivo UI versions. Toggle USB tethering on. The phone shares its cellular connection via the USB interface. On your computer, make sure the new wired adapter obtains an IP via DHCP. If not, set a static IP in the same subnet. Make sure any firewall or VPN on the phone is paused so traffic can flow. Otherwise, packets may be dropped. You finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser or ping 8 from the PC to confirm packets travel through the phone. Make sure battery saver and data restriction settings are off, because those can silently block tethering. If the connection fails, unplug and reconnect the cable, restart the phone, and re-enable USB tethering. If still broken, enable USB debugging briefly to inspect logs. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different data cable or USB port first. It fixes most hardware-related connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.